Welcome to 3G-Home. In today's video, we're diving into the beauty of a panoramic glass tiny home that fosters an infinite connection to nature. Each room is thoughtfully designed to embrace minimalist living, eco-friendly materials, and seamless integration with the surrounding environment. Let's begin our tour of this inspiring home. We start in the living room, where modular furniture and space-saving storage create a cozy and functional space. Surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass walls, natural light floods the room, offering breathtaking views of the lush greenery outside. It's the perfect balance of modern design and comfort. Next, we step into the family room. This inviting space is designed for relaxation and togetherness. With panoramic glass windows and natural textures, the room creates a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living, allowing the beauty of nature to enhance every moment. Here, the dining room offers a modern yet organic vibe. A sleek wooden table is the centerpiece, surrounded by expansive glass walls that showcase stunning views of the forest. Imagine enjoying meals with nature as your backdrop, simple, elegant, and unforgettable. Now, let's explore the kitchen. Designed with sustainability in mind, it features sleek cabinetry, eco-friendly materials, and high-end appliances. The large glass windows frame a vibrant forest view, making this kitchen not just a place to cook, but a space to connect with nature. The bedroom is truly a haven of tranquility. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of the forest through glass walls. The minimalist design, with soft linens and warm wooden accents, creates a calming retreat where you can rest and recharge in harmony with the outdoors. Next, the bathroom redefines luxury with its spa-like ambience. A freestanding bathtub sits against a backdrop of glass walls that overlook a private tropical garden. The natural stone flooring and minimalist fixtures complete this serene and rejuvenating space. The home office is an inspiring place to work, featuring a sleek wooden desk and a stunning glass wall that opens up to views of a tranquil lakeside forest. This space is designed to boost productivity while keeping you connected to nature's serenity. Moving into the study room, you'll find a cozy space designed for focus and creativity. Surrounded by glass walls that overlook lush greenery, this room invites calm and inspiration with its minimalist decor and thoughtful design. Even the hallway is a masterpiece of design. With glass walls on either side, this space connects the rooms of the tiny home while immersing you in the beauty of the surrounding forest. Walking through feels like a transition from one natural haven to another. Finally, we arrive at the guest room. This cozy space is designed to offer guests a unique retreat with panoramic glass walls that frame a peaceful forest view. The simple, natural decor creates an atmosphere of comfort and serenity. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a panoramic glass tiny home. Each room reflects a harmonious connection to nature, combining modern design with eco-friendly living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 3G-Home for more inspiring home and garden design ideas. See you in the next video.